Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to publish multiple pictures on your Instagram story. Simple and easy. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Then you want to head to the top left corner and you want to click on your story and the plus sign. When you're over here, you want to select multiple pictures. Is that right? Okay, so go ahead and look at the top right corner. There is a small double square. If I click it, now we can simply opt in for selecting multiple images. Let's select these two images over here. Then you can press next. Now we have an option over here to edit some text, to add different GIFs, to add questions, to add poll, right? Or we can actually mention someone. In our case, let's mention Apple. Why would we do that? Well, guess what? We have an iPhone over here. When we finish with editing, you can press next, and there you have it. You have two options. You can share this as your story. You can send this to close friends, which is this option over here, and then you can send this through messages. Simple and easy. And this is how you guys publish multiple pictures on your Instagram story with one simple click. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.